Hi students, today we are discussing the topic is Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, na? So what is the statement of Cauchy's integral formula? So how to using this formula? What is the finding here? Okay, na? See the first statement here. If f of z is an analytic function at each point inside and on a closed curve C, and if z is equal to a is any point inside C, and that means given function is at everywhere analytic in the given region on the region, and a is any point inside of the C, then integration of f of z by z minus a into dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of a. That we are finding the integration value. That function is f of z by z minus a is equal to formula 2 pi I into f of a. F of a means the numerator. Your numerator f of z here. Z plus low a replace l. That is the value. Okay, now this is the Cauchy's integral formula. Yeah, see the note here. From the above formula, which is also can be write f of a is equal to. So f of a is equal to here 1 by 2 phi I integration of f of z by z minus a into dz. So where this total function f of z by z minus a analytic function except a. So this is one of the note. So next one here continuation. So generalization of Cauchy's integral formula. So what is the Cauchy's integral formula here? If f of z is an analytic function at each point inside and on a closed curve C, and if z is equal to a is any point inside C, then so that is integration of f of z by z minus a power n plus 1 into dz. That is equal to formula here 2 pi I by n factorial f of that is nth derivative of f of a. And that is the point is repeated n plus 1 times and above formula only one time repeat. Covered that formula 2 pi into f of a. But here a is a repeated same point repeated in the inside of the region. Then how to finding the integration value? That is the value is equal to formula here 2 pi I by n factorial nth derivative of f of a. So where n is equal to substituting 0 is the one time repeated point, n is equal to 1 2 time repeated. Then how to finding it n times, n plus 1 times. Okay, na? So this is the Cauchy's integral formula. Yeah, see the one example on this formula. So see examples. The first one, evaluate integration of z square plus 4 by z minus 3 into dz, where the given region C, that is mod z is equal to 5. Yeah, so see the solution. So given integration of z square plus 4 by z minus 3 into dz. ఎలా ఉంది ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి? ఇది Cauchy's ఫార్ములే కదా. ఇది f of z, ఇది f of z by z minus 3. So now verifying 3 is the inside or outside. Now first verification. Okay, na? And C is equal to here given region. Mod z is equal to 5. So that is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. And the given region is circle with radius 5. Center 0, 0. So clearly given total function is analytic everywhere. Inside and on C. Except the point 3 and the point 3 is not analytic. Okay, na? And z is equal 3 here, point z is equal 3 means 3 is a real part together. And on x-axis the point is 3, 0 point is clearly inside of C because radius 5 together. So 5 out of 3 is inside of the circle. See the graph clearly. So that is circle x square plus y square is equal 25. సో రేడియస్ ఇస్ ద 5. సో 3 చూడండి ఇక ఇన్సైడ్ కాబట్టి మనకు ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ బై జెడ్ మైనస్ ఏ కదా, ఓకేనా. సో let assumption the given integral f of z by z minus a into dz. So f of z is equal to here z square plus 4, a is equal to 0.3. So using the formula Cauchy's integral formula, this is the Cauchy's integral formula, substituting here integration of f of z is equal to z square plus 4 by z minus a into z minus 3, that is equal to 2 pi I into f of a. F of a means f of 3 and f of 3 means f of z function z square plus 4 కదా, z plus లో 3 replacing. So that is 2 pi I into 3 square plus 4 is equal to result is 26 into 5. So ఇది example on Cauchy's integral formula. Okay na, we see the second example. So see the second example. Evaluate integration over c e power 2z by z minus 1 into z minus 2 into dz, where c is mod z is equal to 3. So see the solution. So given integral. So now here given circle mod z is equal 3 kada, that is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. The radius is 3, center 0, 0. So clearly given function is total function is analytic everywhere inside and on C, except to denominator points ikkada emune 1 2 kada. So except to 1 2 is not analytic, okay na, at the point 1 and 2 is not analytic. So and clearly z is equal 1 and 2 are inside of C. The radius 3 kada, so 1 and 2 is on x axis the point, so inside of 3. So that is, see the graph చూడండి, the circle x square plus y square is equal 9. So 3 is the radius, 1 2 is the inside. So clearly using the Cauchy's integral formula. But మనకి ఏముంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 2 పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 1 and 2 పాయింట్స్ కదా, మనకి ఫార్ములా ఓన్లీ 1 పాయింట్ ఉండాలి. అంటే the function is can be separated by using partial fractions. So see that given function totally is converted the e power 2z by z minus 2 minus e power 2z by z minus 1. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇది separate function is separate function. Now finding the integration is also separating, okay na. So that is equal to integration of the given function, the separating integration. Let equation 1. First finding this integral, next finding second integral, okay. The first one integration, here f of z function e power 2z, ఇది z minus a కదా, a is equal to 2, okay. Is it clear? Yeah, by Cauchy's integral formula, integration of e power 2z by z minus 2 into dz, formula is మనకి 2 pi I into f of a కదా, and a is equal to 2. So 2 pi I into e power f of z is equal to e power 2z. So 2 plus z plus లో 2, that is equal to 2 into e power 4 5i. Next finding the second one. So integration of e power 2z by z minus 1 into dz. Here f of z is equal to e power 2z, a is equal to 0.1 by Cauchy's integral formula, okay na. 2 pi I into f of a is equal to 1. So f of z అంటే e power 2z కదా, z plus లో 1 replacing. So that is 2 pi into e power 2 1, that is 2 e square into pi I. So both values substituting in equation 1. From equation 1 the required value is first value 2 into e power 4 phi I minus second value 2 into e square pi I, that is equal simplification 2 into e square pi I into e square minus 1. So this is the required value of the given integral formula. అంటే మనకి డినామినేటర్లో కంపల్సరీ సింగిల్ పాయింటే ఉండాలండి. సో మోర్ దెన్ 1 పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, వీ కెన్ సపరేటింగ్ పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. ఆ పాయింట్ కూడా కంపల్సరీ మనకి ఇన్సైడ్లో ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా. సో ఈ అవుట్ సైడ్ అంటే మనకి ఎలా ఉంటుంది నెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది, మనకి ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూద్దాం ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Okay, now this is a second example. Okay, see the one more example. Yeah, evaluate integration e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 into dz around C. The given region is mod z minus 1 is equal to 3. So that is equal assumption given, and circle, which circle here, mod z minus 1 is equal 3. అంటే mod z minus 1 అంటే x plus iy minus 1 కదా, is equal to 3. and the real part here x minus 1 అవునా, x minus 1 plus iy, mod x minus 1 plus iy. Now squaring on both sides, z square, mod z square means x square plus y square, అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 3 square. The center is 1, 0. Center 1, 0, radius is 3. అంటే 1, 0 means on x-axis center. Yeah, see the graph. This is a circle. X minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 9. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇది సెంటర్ 1, 0. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ 2 వస్తుంది, నెక్స్ట్ 3 వస్తుంది. మనకి రేడియస్ 3 యూనిట్స్ కదా, 1 నుంచి 3 యూనిట్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది, 4. ఇది 4. ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది, -2. అవునా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ చెప్పండి మనకి, z plus 1 whole power 4 కదా, డినామినేటర్లో చూడండి, e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటిది, ఇక్కడ -1 కదా. చూడండి, ఈజ్ ఎనాలిటిక్ ఎవ్రీవేర్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -1. అంటే -1 ఈజ్ ఇన్సైడ్, ఈజ్ చూడండి ఫ్రమ్ ది గ్రాఫ్, -1 ఈజ్ ద ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్, ఈజ్ ఎ క్లియర్. సో బట్ -1 ఈజ్ ద హౌ మెనీ టైమ్ రిపీటెడ్ ఇయర్, 4 times రిపీటెడ్ అండి. అంటే నౌ యూజింగ్ ద ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ generalization of Cauchy's integral formula. So this is the formula using. Okay na, that is equal assumption here, given e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 into dz is equal to here. So f of z is equal to e power 2z and a is the point is -1. Avuna, how many time repeated here, 3 times. ఎందుకంటే n plus 1 కదా, 4 plus అంటే 3 plus 1 4, 3, n is equal to 3. So f of z is equal to e power 2z, a is equal to -1, n is equal to 3. And also here in the formula nth derivative కదా, అంటే z minus a repeated n plus 1 times. ఇక్కడ 3 time repeats కదా, కాబట్టి మనకు ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 3 times differentiation. అంటే n plus 1కి n, ఇక్కడ n is equal to 3 కదా, సో 3 time differentiation of f of z. సో ఈ power 2z 3 times డెరివేట్ చేయండి, ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ f triple dash of z is equal to 8 into e power 2z. Now substituting above formula, so that is equal to here integration of e power 2z by z plus 1 power 4 dz is equal to 2 pi I by 3 factorial f triple dash of -1. So f triple dash of -1 means ఇక్కడ 8 into e power 2z, substituting here z is equal to 1. That is equal to 2 pi I by 6 into 8 into e power 2 minus 1. That is equal to 8 by 3 e power minus 2 into 5. This is the required value of the given integral. Okay na, this is understood. These 3 examples on Cauchy's integral formula. So remaining some problems we will do in the next class. Okay na. Okay, for more videos please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you very much.